welcome to Cheap Joe's Art Stuff. My name is Julie, and I am here to impart some knowledge to you today via a 2-minute art tip. And today we are here in my home studio. Little change of pace, little change of venue, mix things up a bit. But I'm super excited because we are always on the lookout for new, cool art stuff for you guys. And this stuff is really neat. This is a whole kind of like library of products, not just one thing, but they're called slice cutting tools. Instead of a metal cutting blade and stuff like this, these are completely and totally different because the blades are made of ceramic. So they are super strong and super durable. They do not rust. They do not have any protective oils on them, so you don't have to worry about them getting onto your materials and stuff like that. The really cool part is that they are 10 times like sharper and stronger than regular conventional metal blades for cutting, but they last like 11 times longer. Now we have gone ahead and we picked up all of the replacement blades. It'll probably take you the rest of your natural life to make it through a pack, you know, but we've picked up the whole library of stuff because we just feel like really excited to show them to you, bring them to you, because we're sure you're gonna love them. But they've got a whole bunch of different stuff, and so we've got kind of like, you know, a box cutting knife, and then we also have like a manual utility knife, and you can see that the blade is like really sharp, but just because of the nature of it being like ceramic, it's much more difficult to hurt yourself, which when you're me is a sobering and happy thought. But they've got some like really cool you know, like safety features. Like this craft knife has what they call like a safety no lose cap, and I was just like, well, how does that work? You know, so you'll see it has like a little teeny channel in here, and what you do is you turn it and then slide the cap down and then turn it back to where this groove is, and then the cap doesn't fall off. So you don't have to worry about losing it and then trying to figure out where you put it and all that kind of stuff. And granted, it has a pretty conventionally sized, like, you know, blade on it that's easy to change, just like, you know, a conventional precision knife. So you use it just like any other, you know, craft knife. But it responds easily. It's super sharp, super precise, and voila. That part just comes right out. So you can see, you know, a incredibly nice cutting tool. And it works great. So we are absolutely in love with this whole line. We brought them to you in the new summer flyer. We're pretty sure that you're going to be excited about it. We are really excited about it, and we hope that you will enjoy.